Yeah, good day. This is Agua, like you already know, and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. Yes, the best channel that brings you the tutorials and how-tos in the technology world. Well, today we are going to be looking at something different. Yes, we shall be looking at something related to cars. Actually, what happened to me yesterday was that I did an engine oil maintenance, which simply means I replaced my engine oil. The past one degraded, like you already know. I replaced my engine oil, and what the mechanic did was that he just changed the oil and go and went his way. Yes, he just went his way. But actually, on the dashboard of your car, you actually can detect your engine oil life. Yes, the percentage is strictly indicated on the dashboard. But what he did is that he just changed the oil and went his way. And it's quite abnormal because you yourself, it's proper for you to always check on the dashboard to see as in how degraded or how the percentage of which the engine oil that we replace it with has degraded. So now what we're going to do today is that I will be going to show you how you can easily reset the oil life percentage of a Honda Accord 2006 model. Yes, that's the car I use. So I don't want you to follow the same mistake because actually what it simply means is that once you replace an engine oil and you didn't reset the oil life percentage, well, from the old percentage that is still indicating on the dashboard, it will be giving you wrong signal. Yes, you can easily detect when the engine oil is actually degraded to a certain level due for replacement. So that's the reason why it's proper for you to always reset it back to 100 once you replace it with a new one. People just believe that you always open your bonnet and check that gauge, that dipstick gauge, but actually from your dashboard, you can easily detect once it has degraded. So let's move to my Honda Accord. Yes, let's go outside. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see, I'll show you the steps of which you can do that in less than 1 minute. Then we'll be back. So let's go outside. Okay, yeah, right now we're outside, and there's the car I talked about. So let's open it and go inside. So yeah, just like I said, this is a Honda Accord 2006 model, and what we're going to do, we're trying to reset the engine life percentage. So let's go. So the first thing you do, the first step, you stick in your key and turn it. Yeah, you can see the car is on. I didn't power it actually. So let's look at the dashboard. Okay, yeah. Oh damn, it's quite sunny outside, but I hope you can cope. Let's do it this way. So this is the dashboard. So you can see it's showing the mileage. So the first thing you do, there's a knob here. There's a knob, yes, right here. I'm touching. So you change, keep on pressing the knob, yes, and this is the oil life percentage. The form one is showing 90%, yes, 90%. So now we're going to reset it so that it will go back to 100. So the first thing you do, you hold down the knob, you press the knob for, let's say, 10 seconds. Yeah, you press the knob for 10 seconds till it starts flashing. As you can see, it's already flashing. Yeah, it's already flashing. So now the next thing you'll do is to still hold down the knob for another, let's say, 5 seconds or more. So let's go. Damn, you can see it has reverted back to 100%, and that's what we want. Yes, you can see how easy it is. So after getting this, you can switch off your car. Switch off your car, like wait for some minutes. It's quite sunny, but bear with me, and that's the reason why the sunshade is actually coming into the car. So let's start our car. You can see our oil life percentage is back to 100. Yes, that's how easy it is. Yes, 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 we've gotten it. So you can go back and try it yourself. Maybe your mechanic just change your engine oil without actually resetting the oil life percentage back to 100, because this will give you the exact figure based on your new mileage. And once your oil is draining or going bad or degrading by time, it's keep reading. So with this, we've achieved what we want. So yes, let's go back home. Yeah. Oh, we welcome back home. You can see we just did that in less than, let me just say, it's not even up to a minute. Yes, and that you can do also without relying on your mechanic, because there's basically don't know the steps. So now you've seen how easy it is. Maybe that's the reason why you want to know how it's being done. which I just showed you. So in the description of this video, you can easily see the link to the blog post also, yes, on my blog, whereby you can read the step basically. And if you want to print and keep it down well with you, so that for further usage, yes. And with that, before you leave, I would like you to also hit the subscribe button so that you easily get notified. Hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I release a video just like this. Yes, it's good and it's good. It's basically what people need to know. Yes, we don't know it all. So in channels just like this or in tutorial videos just like this, you get to see what you don't know before. So hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification. So with that, I'm good to go. Let me just take my bath and I'm going out. So thank you.